Moringa oleifera, often simply referred to as moringa, is a plant that is often called the drumstick tree, the miracle tree, the ben oil tree, or the horseradish tree. It has become incredibly popular as a new superfood due to its rich nutritional profile and powerful anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and tissue protective properties. Health benefits. Rich in nutrients, moringa leaves are an excellent source of many vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, vitamin B6, iron, riboflavin, B2, and magnesium. Antioxidant properties. Moringa contains antioxidants that can help protect cells from damage and may boost your levels of other essential antioxidants. Anti-inflammatory. The isothiocyanates, flavonoids, and phenolic acids in moringa leaves, pods, and seeds have anti-inflammatory properties. Lower blood sugar levels. Moringa appears to have anti-diabetic effects, likely due to beneficial plant compounds. Dosage. There is no standard dosage for moringa as it depends on the form you're consuming it in: powder, capsule, tea, etc. However, a common dosage of moringa powder is 1 to 2 teaspoons per day. Always follow the instructions on the supplement packaging and consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement regimen. Side effects and interactions. Moringa is generally considered safe and has a low risk of side effects. However, consuming large amounts could cause stomach upset, gassiness, or diarrhea due to its high fiber content. As for drug interactions, there isn't enough scientific information to determine if moringa interacts with medications. Therefore, it's recommended to consult with a healthcare provider before starting to use moringa if you're on medication. Best form to consume. Moringa can be consumed in various forms, including capsules, powder, or tea. The best form to consume depends on your personal preference and the specific health benefits you're seeking. Moringa powder can be added to smoothies or meals, while capsules are a convenient option for those on the go. Moringa tea can be a soothing and nutritious addition to your daily routine. Please note that while moringa has been associated with these potential health benefits, more extensive clinical studies are needed to confirm its efficacy and safety. Always consult with a healthcare provider before starting any supplement regimen.